Layla Rose, she's about 8 years old. She's a little miniature Pomeranian. She loves her mama. Her mama's outside, and she's sitting on the couch waiting for mama to come back in. She's just a spoiled little baby. 4.5 hours into the bus ride, we stopped. We just thought we would show a short video of Layla Rose. She done got in trouble. She knocked the pillars off in the floor that were on the couch. It looks like a cafeteria style. And here's Chloe Louise. Or you get to pick the kind of Chloe's about 16 years old. She's a dash hound. She used to possum hunt all the time, but she's like me. She's too lazy to do anything. So we're just going to make a short video of these dogs. And we'll be here in Sparta, Tennessee. And I hope y'all are having a great day out wherever y'all are. God bless, and we'll talk to y'all later. This will be Panama Jeff in Sparta, Tennessee. And we're gone.